Are you struggling with fatty liver disease and experiencing discomfort, abdominal tightness, or pain on the right side of your abdomen? Do you often feel bloated, heavy, or tired even without doing much work? If yes, then today's video is going to be extremely helpful for you because the pain and discomfort you feel might not just be due to digestion issues. It may be coming directly from your liver. Fatty liver has become one of the most common health problems worldwide. Nearly one-third of the global population suffers from fatty liver disease, and many people don't even know they have it until the symptoms become severe. But certain simple exercise can relieve fatty liver pain, reduce inflammation, improve liver function, and even support fatty liver reversal naturally. So, if you want to reduce liver pain, improve digestion, boost metabolism, and support liver detoxification, watch this video completely without skipping even a single second. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and I warmly welcome you to the Liver Expert Global YouTube channel, where I share scientifically proven and holistic health information related to diet, nutrition, yoga, lifestyle changes, and natural treatment for chronic disease. Before we begin today's exercises, let's take a moment to understand why fatty liver causes pain and how movement can help. See, when excess fat starts depositing inside the liver cells, your liver becomes inflamed and enlarged. This enlargement stretches the capsule around the liver, which leads to sharp pain, dull aching on the right side, abdominal tightness, discomfort after eating, bloating, fullness, back pain, and shoulder pain. Most people ignore these signs, but these symptoms clearly indicate that your liver is struggling. But the best part is, the right exercise can reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, help burn liver fat, and relieve pain naturally. So now let's start with the 5 best exercise of fatty liver pain relief along with their benefits and step-by-step instructions. The first exercise is diaphragmatic breathing. This is a powerful breathing exercise that improves oxygen supply, relaxes the abdominal muscles, and reduces pain caused by liver enlargement. Now let's know how to do it. Sit comfortably or lie down on your back. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose. Your belly should rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Your belly should fall. Repeat for 10 minutes. It helps reduce stress on the liver and improves oxygen levels. It relaxes abdominal organs and reduces pain and bloating. Twisting movements gently massage the liver, improve circulation, reduce fat deposits, and relieve discomfort in the upper abdomen. Let's understand the method. Sit or stand with your spine straight. Place your hands on your waist. Slowly twist your torso to the right. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Twist to the left. Do 20 repetitions on each side. This exercise will help increase liver blood flow and help break fat deposits. It also helps release trapped gases and reduce abdominal pressure. People with fatty liver often feel tightness around the ribs. This exercise reduces it effectively. This yoga pose improves flexibility, massages abdominal organs, and reduces liver inflammation. Let's know how to do it. Come on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Arc your back like a cat. Exhale. Lift your head and arc downward like a cow. Inhale. Continue movement slowly. Do this for 2 to 4 minutes. Let's understand what benefits you will get. It improves blood flow to the liver and reduces abdominal stiffness. It relieves right-sided pain and enhances digestion and bowel movement. This is a safe and gentle way to relax liver areas. Now, the fourth exercise is seated forward bend. This reduces pressure around the liver and supports better digestion by stimulating abdominal muscles. Let's know how you can do it. Sit with legs stretched forward. Keep the spine straight. Gently bend forward, reaching for your toes. Don't force it. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Let's understand the benefits which you can get. It reduces abdominal tightness and improves liver flexibility. It helps relieve bloating and gas and helps reduce fatty liver fat accumulation. Now our last exercise is liver massage. It's simple and easy to do, but gives instant relief from pain, heaviness and bloating. This gentle massage improves circulation, reduces inflammation and supports lymphatic drainage. Now let's discuss the method for performing this. Lie down comfortably. Place your right hand under your right rib cage where the liver is. Gently massage in circular motion. Continue for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not apply too much pressure. It reduces liver pain instantly and improves bile flow. It relieves constipation and reduces heaviness and abdominal pressure. Do this daily before bedtime for best results. Alright, so these are the 5 liver friendly exercises you must do to relieve liver pain, gas, constipation and abdominal tightness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for health related content. Thank you so much.